We have never been so connected as we are today with the internet and mobile phone, and yet we remain divided by language. Nearly 1.5 billion people worldwide speak English as a first, second or other language. So it's a really good choice for international communication. English speakers in many countries have different pronunciations, different accents, and use a slightly different vocabulary. But it is still English and is able to be understood internationally. If you speak English as a second or other language, you will make mistakes. It's normal. But did you know that even native speakers make mistakes with their spelling and their pronunciation from time to time? Sometimes these mistakes cause people to judge your level of education. This can be unhelpful, especially if you're trying to get a job or if you're trying to progress in your job. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you some of the mistakes that even native speakers make and help you to avoid them. Hello students, this is Click English and I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to episode 9. Every learner of every language gets the feeling that native speakers leave bits of words out when they are speaking, especially if they're speaking fast. If you have this feeling, you're not wrong. Often, these can be ordinary words that are used so often that native speakers have developed a kind of verbal shorthand over time. This thing that native speakers do in leaving out syllables or reducing them to schwa is called elision, and the missing syllables are said to be elided. Elision is more common in English spoken in the US. An example we saw in earlier episodes was the effect of apostrophe on words like can't and won't and I'll. But these are now so common that they've become part of the standard grammar of English. Apart from this, the place we most often find elision is in short sentences or words and phrases that we use a lot. An example of this is the sentence, "What are you doing?" This can turn into, "What are you doing?" replacing the whole word are with the schwa. Sometimes it can even turn into, "What you doing?" A frequent elision is in the phrase, "Can I help you?" And you will hear this often in business, but it is often shortened to, "Can I help you?" Another sentence is, "I don't know," which is frequently shortened to, "I don't know," or even, "I don't know." In a complex sentence such as, "I asked him what the time was," the K in asked and the H in him can disappear altogether, shortening the sentence to, "I asked him what the time was." Apart from the elision with the apostrophe that you saw in episode 5, elided words or phrases should be avoided in formal speech or written English, unless of course you're writing a novel or a short story. Here are 6 words you will hear frequently where syllables are often left out or elided. Temperature, temperature. Every, every. Everyone, everything, everybody. Interesting, interesting. Chocolate, chocolate. Business, business. favorite, favorite. As I said in episode 8, there are two ways of getting this deep knowledge of a language, either by the effortless learning that a child does, or by paying close attention to the way native speakers say things. Never be afraid to ask someone to repeat something for you. If English is not your first language, no one will mind repeating.